Hey guys, it's Ross Ramsey with RP Elite Motors and Marine. We're here at the Texoma Throwdown 2021. Nautical Networks filming. This is a blast. I'm here with the one and only Casey Moore.
What's up, everybody? I'm Casey Moore. This is our fourth year doing this. We started from nothing. Me and my wife Tegan, we started doing this. We have a passion for boats, and we've turned this thing into a great event. As you can see, we're out here at the Cheeseburgers in Paradise on Friday afternoon, and you can see all the boats we have out here today. We started with 40 boats. Last year was our third year. We had 118. We're well beyond that starting off this year. It's going to be a great time. We're building it bigger every single year. We put more money into it to give back to the community. We give back to Mission 22, which is a non-profit organization for vets with PTSD. They help out. I'm a veteran myself, so to give money back to people that need it, that's what we're about. And having everybody have a great time. We got live music Friday, Saturday night. We got boats. We got babes. It's a great time, and we're having fun. And I couldn't be more ecstatic of what's going on, and the people I meet and the people that come out. I love it. It's a lot of hard work, but it's worth every minute.
So, long story short, 5 years ago, Casey and Tegan were at my house. We did a New Year's party. At that time, the Texoma Throwdown was coming to what it was today, and I remember you were in my kitchen, and he goes, trying to figure out a name. But I'll tell you this, I cannot be prouder of this guy. Blood, sweat, and tears go into this. He kills it. His wife Tegan kills it. This event is taking over power boats. And this is a Texas run, an Oklahoma run, and we want it to stay. Stay tuned, watch for more.
Thank you.